Hi there, my name is Anna. Today, I want to tell you a story about rain. Not just rain that falls from the sky, but rain that helps us live, survive, and enjoy. One Saturday morning, I woke up to the soft sound of rain. Drip, drip, drip. It was gentle and peaceful. I stretched my arms and whispered to myself, "It's a perfect rainy day." I went to the kitchen, made some hot tea, and toasted a slice of bread. Then I sat by the window and just watched the clouds, the puddles, the kids in raincoats jumping and laughing. I thought, rain gives life. It waters the trees, cools the ground, and brings peace to my heart. I do this every morning. I stand in front of the mirror and talk to myself in English. Why? Because speaking English out loud helps me feel more confident. How's the weather today? I asked. It's rainy and cool, I replied to myself. What will you do today? Maybe a walk in the rain, or write something beautiful. Try it too. Don't wait for someone to talk to. Just talk to yourself in English. I put on my raincoat, grabbed my umbrella, and stepped outside. The air was fresh. The smell of wet earth made me smile. Every step felt calm. I wasn't in a hurry. The world had slowed down. And so had I. At the park, I saw someone sitting on a bench, reading a book, even in the rain. He looked up and said, "Beautiful weather, isn't it?" I smiled and replied, "Yes. Most people run away from rain. But I love it." We talked. His name was James. He was a traveler and a writer, and he, too, had learned English over time. "I was shy once," he said. "But I practiced every day, by talking out loud, just like you." We both laughed. Two strangers, one rainy day, one beautiful conversation. Later that afternoon, I recorded my thoughts. Today, I spoke with a stranger in English. I didn't feel nervous. I didn't search for perfect grammar. I just spoke. I felt proud. You see, confidence doesn't come from knowing every word. It comes from trying. Rain teaches us many things. It teaches us to slow down, to be patient, to find peace even on dark, cloudy days. Just like learning English. Sometimes it feels difficult. Sometimes we feel stuck. But if we keep trying, word by word, like drop by drop, we grow. So next time it rains, don't just stay silent. Talk about the weather. Talk about your feelings. Talk in English, even if it's just to yourself. Rain doesn't wait to be perfect, it just falls. You don't have to be perfect to speak. Just open your mouth, and let your words fall. Thank you for listening to my story. This was English and Everything, where you learn English through stories that touch your heart. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me in the comments. Do you like the rain? Anne. Are you ready to speak confidently in English, one word at a time? Until next time. Let it rain. Let it flow. And let yourself grow. Goodbye for now, and thank you so much for being here. If you enjoyed this story, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and support English and Everything so we can keep creating more stories to help you learn and grow. Take care, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.